Alright people, this is slab number 3 and it's the best one so far. I came up in here and I kind of busted out all this rotten material, and if this was my slab after it was kiln dried, I would probably come down and cut off all this area up here. You got a little bit of scrap wood over here you can use for accents or stuff like that, but that's about as far up as I would go on the slab. And that would leave you with a slab 32 inches long and 24 inches wide. So not too bad. And we still have some spalting on the sides and the red blood streaks right here through the middle. I don't know if there's a term for that or not. I'm calling it flame and blood streaks. I think flame is the correct term for that. But this is a decent piece right here. You know, it's 32 inches, 24 inches wide. It makes a nice little side table or some other kind of project where you need a slab and some smaller material. So not a complete waste. I wish this top up here was solid. If that was solid, we would have a really nice high dollar slab right here. But not too bad. It was worth saving. There's a lot of nice material right here on the sides and make a nice little table.